Welcome to my recipe diary. Today we're making tender, juicy chicken Malai Boti with a rich, creamy marinade and smoky grilled flavor. That's perfect for BBQ nights or family dinners.
You'll need boneless chicken, yogurt, fresh cream, cream cheese, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, white pepper, black pepper, cumin powder. Mix all the marinade ingredients until smooth and creamy. Add the chicken and coat every piece thoroughly. Let it marinate so the flavors soak in and the chicken becomes incredibly tender.
Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers and grill over medium heat. Turn occasionally until lightly charred on the outside while staying juicy and tender inside.
Brush the hot chicken with melted butter for extra richness and shine. Serve with warm naan, refreshing mint chutney, onions, and lemon wedges for the ultimate restaurant-style meal. This creamy chicken Malai Boti is packed with rich flavor. Subscribe to my recipe diary for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!